Is it well with your soul? And how does a man benefit if he gains the whole world and loses his soul in the process? For is anything worth more than his soul? Mark chapter 8 verse 36 and 37. In the world in which we live, we give most attention to satisfying the appetites of the body and practically none to the soul. Consequently, we are one-sided. We become fat physically and materially, while spiritually we are lean, weak, and anemic. The soul actually demands as much attention as the body. It demands fellowship and communion with God. It demands worship, quietness, and meditation. Unless the soul is fed and exercised daily, it becomes weak and shriveled. It remains discontented, confused, restless. Many people turn to alcohol to try to drown the cryings and longings of the soul. Some turn to a new sex experience. Others attempt to quiet the longings of their souls in other ways. But nothing but God ever completely satisfies, because the soul was made for God, and without God it is restless and in secret torment. Prayer for the day. Dear Lord, I thank you that when my soul cried out for forgiveness and love, you were there. Today help me to live as your child should.